Hello Leo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga messages na Leo for today. We have the Knight of Cups. Ayan, Leo. So, maybe meron ditong kumbaga romance is in the air kasi lalo-lalo na doon sa mga wala pang jowa, and maybe if you are seeking for love, seeking um, for relationship, maaring ngayon, no? Baka magkaroon na kayo ngayon ng love life, yung ganon. Pwedeng meron ditong, maybe someone is going to ask you out on a date, maybe someone is going to express no their romantic interest sa inyo, so baka mauwi yan sa isang relationship, no? So what else? We have the world. Ayan, so world travel, no, Leo, baka meron travel dito na gagawin ng iba sa inyo, and maaring yung travel na yan could be international travel for whatever reason. Pwedeng pag-aaral, pwedeng pasyal, pwedeng expansion ng business, pwedeng relocation, yung gano'n. Baka may magmamigrate na sa iba, ang iba sa inyo dito sa abroad, pwedeng gano'n, ano? But this is also a time of fulfillment. This is a time of success. You know, merong mga bagay kayo dito na ginagawa na yung pagtatagumpayan. Meron kayong mga bagay dito na ginagawa na matatapos mo na. No? Kumbaga, you're going to finish it up sa ngayon, no? So that's really beautiful. Pabada rin ang iba sa inyo rito, you know, is going to celebrate. Maaari na yung isa-celebrate ninyo is yung yung tawag dito, maaari yung isa-celebrate ninyo rito is yung tagumpay ninyo, you know. Kaya before you start on a new beginning, kasi since the world is an ending and beginning energy, so for sure, 'di ba, kapag merong magtatapos, merong magsisimula. Kaya kung ano man itong natapos nyo na, nakumpleto nyo na, 'di ba? Na-achieve nyo na. So meron kayong sisimulang bago. And before you start something new, mag-celebrate muna kayo, no? Mas magandang i-celebrate muna ninyo, i-enjoy nyo muna, kumbaga, yung mga achievements ninyo para mas ma-inspire kayo, you know, as you head towards a new beginning. So, we have King of Cups. Ayan. So, si King of Cups, this is someone na very emotionally matured. Napakagaling niyang mag-advise. Napakagaling niyang magbigay ng gabay, you know. And this is a person of wisdom. No? Napakabait din ni King of Cups. Kaya, at napakagaling magbigay ng ng advice. So, it's either ikaw yung mag-i-embody ng energy ni King of Cups, or baka you are going to meet someone na katulad ni King of Cups, or baka you're going to be dealing with someone na katulad ni King of Cups, no? So that is possible. So what else? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe para sa'yo, Leo. We have number 4, house. Ayan, so baka ang iba sa inyo, baka homebody kayo, no? You are like a stay-home dad or stay-home mom, 'di ba? Mga ganon. Or baka ang iba sa inyo dito nagtatrabaho, work from home, no? Pwedeng ganon. Or home-based business, yung ginagawa ninyo kung kayo nagnegosyo. So, pwedeng ganon. Maybe ang iba sa inyo is constructing your own house, or baka yun nga, nagpapagawa kayo ng bahay. Maybe some of you are doing some renovations. Pwede rin ang iba sa inyo rito, baka nagbabuy and sell kayo ng bahay, no? Possible din yan for some of you. Baka din ang iba sa inyo dito, baka mag-aasawa na, no? Or baka may sarili na kayong tahanan after the marriage, yung ganon. After kasalan, bubukod na kayo. Pwedeng ganon ang ganap din for some of you. So, good luck. Family-oriented din siguro kayo, no? Yung focus ninyo is family. We have number 33, key. Ayan, nasa inyong mga kamay. Ang susi. because maybe there are new opportunities and new possibilities that are coming towards you. You know, meron mga merong mga ano rito. Meron mga ang tawag diyan, mga possibilities and opportunities na you are going to embrace, no? Sa ngayon, magbubukas na kayo ng bagong pinto para dito sa mga bagong uh, oportunidad. So, we have number 36, cross. So, baka ang iba sa inyo dito is going to change, um, you're going to change something, no? Since meron tayong key, po pwedeng magbubukas ka ng bagong chapter sa buhay mo, and that could be related to work. It could be related to your finances, diba? Or source of income. Po pwedeng meron kang babaguhing mga financial plans, or meron kang babaguhin, or pwedeng meron kang gagawing financial strategy na bago, diba? Or po pwedeng meron kang, maybe you're going to change jobs or change careers, no? So, good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.